Hello and welcome to my channel. I have a 5 ampere Milwaukee battery here, but this one has a problem and it's called cell imbalance. With the top off this battery, I'll show you what I mean. The voltmeter in here tight. These end cells are 4.16 and these next bank are 3.37. Next ones are 3.76. Yep. And the next ones are connection 3.34. And I've been bringing these ones up to match these ones in the end, and I'm nearly there as we speak. And how I've done this is using this X-Star VC4 Plus should I say, individual cell charger. It's for charging these cells if you have them individually like this, to bring them up to voltage. But what I have done is I have fabricated this sort of thing. What I've done is connected the wires into a bank of cells, so she's charging a bank of cells as if they're one individual cell. And that's to bring them all up even, so we'll get maximum voltage, and this pack will then charge and discharge equally. So this process can be carried out one bank of cells at a time to restore the pack. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.